How to turn your passions into a profitable business. Are you a mother with burning passion but feel overwhelmed with the idea of turning it into a profitable business? What if I told you that you can turn your passion into income without sacrificing your family time or your peace of mind? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a business that supports your dreams and your family and how you can restart making real money doing what you love. No experience needed and no extra time needed. Stay tuned to discover the exact steps to turn your passion into thriving, profitable business starting today. Are you a mother who's juggling your family responsibilities while longing to turn your passion into a profitable business? Imagine waking up every day excited about your work, knowing it supports your family's future and doing it all on your terms. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of turning unique passions into profitable business that aligns with your family life and empowers you to thrive. This is my promise. By the end of this video, you'll not only have the clarity how to start your own profitable business as a mom, but you'll make it sustainable long-term venture without compromising your role as a conscious parent. So, let's dive in and let's get started. Let me start with the story of a mom, a dear friend named Priya, who's a mother of two children, aged 8 and 12. She had always loved baking but never imagined it could become more than just a hobby. Like many mothers, Priya felt the pressure of balancing parenting, her career, and the constant juggling act of being everything for her kids. For years, she pushed her dreams, starting a baking business to a side, telling herself that there wasn't enough time. She realized that her passion for baking was more than just a way to de-stress. It could actually become a thriving business. The turning point came when Priya started baking cakes for friends and family. If she could make custom cakes for their events. At first, she was hesitant. After all, she didn't have the business background, and she didn't want to sacrifice precious time with her children. She started small, offering her services online while setting clear boundaries for her family time. She created an easy-to-manage schedule so her business wouldn't conflict with her responsibilities at home. She also got really clear on what set her apart. Her cakes weren't just delicious, they were a work of art, made with love and attention to detail. Word spread fast, and before she knew, Priya was running a profitable cake business from home, all while raising her children and keeping her family life intact. Priya's story is a perfect example of how a mother can turn her passion into a profitable business by starting small, staying true to her values, and creating a balance that worked for her family. And if Priya can do it, so can you. In this video, I will show you how to make that same leap no matter where you are in your journey. So why is this topic so essential for conscious mothers? You are already managing a million tasks every day as mothers, caring for your children, maintaining a household, and possibly balancing work too. The idea of having a business to that mix can feel overwhelming. But what if I told you that turning your passion into a profitable business can be the key to finally finding balance and purpose in your life? This topic is relevant to you because it offers a practical, achievable way to reclaim your time and energy while aligning with your desires. You don't have to choose between being a present mother or pursuing your dreams. You can do both. And I know how it feels to be pulled in different directions, constantly questioning whether your personal passions and goals should take a backseat. You may struggle with guilt, thinking that starting your own business will take time away from your children. But deep down, you also know that when you thrive, your family thrives too. When you are fulfilled, your energy and well-being positively affects your children. By learning how to turn your passion into a profitable business, you're not just creating financial independence, but you're setting an example of resilience, ambition, and self-care for your kids. This resonates with your inner desire to build a meaningful legacy and show your children that their dreams are possible just like yours. As a mother, you hold a power to influence not only your own future, but also the future of your children. When you pursue a passion, you not only transform your life, but you create a ripple effect in the family dynamics. This responsibility goes beyond personal success. It's about creating harmonious family environment where emotional resilience and financial independence are the norm. By turning your passion into business, you are teaching your children the importance of pursuing their dreams with dedication and passion, even amidst challenges. This topic is essential because it empowers you to step into your full potential, balancing motherhood, personal growth, and entrepreneurship, all while creating a future filled with possibility and purpose. Before we move in, I would highly encourage that you grab a paper and a pen or take digital notes. You can jot down the areas in which you can start your business, your hobbies, and your passions. And then you can also jot down the biggest takeaways from this video so you can start today. Also, if you stay till the end, we have a free downloadable resource that will guide you through the next steps to get started with your business. So make sure you take notes and stick around till the end. Let's start with what, why, and how of turning passions into profit. This topic is about transforming something you love into a source of income, allowing you to create a business that supports your family and aligns with your values. It's about discovering how your unique skills and passions can become a profitable venture. As a mother, you may feel like you have to choose between nurturing your children and following your dreams. This video will show you how to build a business that fits into your family life instead of taking away from it. Empowering financial independence. By turning your passion into business, you're not just generating income. You're creating financial independence, which can give the confidence and stability to make decisions that benefit both your family and yourself. Conscious parenting through entrepreneurship. This video connects the idea of conscious parenting with entrepreneurship. By running a business, you learn valuable skills like time management, self-discipline, and creativity that you can apply to your parenting, helping you become more mindful and present for your children. Breaking free from guilt. Many mothers feel guilty about prioritizing their personal passions. In this video, you'll understand that pursuing your dreams and building business doesn't mean you're neglecting your children. It means you're modeling resilience and self-care for them, creating legacy of empowerment. The ultimate goal is to create business that not only supports you financially but also teaches your children the importance of following their passions and dreams. Why it is important to turn your passions into a profitable business. Number 1, it gives you financial freedom and stability. Turning your passions into a profitable business allows you to gain financial freedom, whether you're saving for your children's education or building for your own future. Having a business provides additional financial stability. Number 2, it is empowering for your children. By showing your children that pursuing their passions can lead to success, you can teach them the value of their dreams and ambitions. Number 3, guilt-free self-care. As a mother, you often put yourself last. Building a business around something you love allows you to reclaim your time and energy and nurture yourself without feeling guilty for focusing on your needs. Number 4, it's a pathway to personal growth. Entrepreneurship is a transformative journey that helps you grow as a person. The skills you learn along the way, communication, creativity, problem solving, are not just useful in business but can enrich your parenting approach as well. 5. Work life harmony. When you build a business that aligns with your values, you can create a routine that supports both your work and family life. It's not about the balance, it's about creating harmony between the two, ensuring that neither one feels neglected. 6. Leaving a lasting legacy. Starting a business is not just about earning money, it's about leaving a legacy. Your children will see you as someone who followed their passion and built something meaningful, and that mindset can be passed down to generations. So, how to do it? Let's start with the first one. Identify your passions and strengths. Reflect on what you love doing and what you are good at. Consider your hobbies or skills that you naturally excel in and would love to share with others. For example, Bhavna, as a mother of two, loved making homemade jewelry. She started by identifying her strength for creating unique pieces, which quickly turned into a business once she started receiving compliments. You can do the same by recognizing what you truly enjoy, whether it's cooking, art, fitness, or something else. Validate your ideas. Before diving in, make sure there's a market for your passion. Conduct research, engage with your community, and get feedback on whether people are interested in what you are offering. For instance, a mother named Reena wanted to offer online fitness coaching for mothers. She started by posting free workout videos on Instagram and gathered feedback from followers. Once she was consistent with her interest, she launched her paid services. So, test your ideas even in small ways to ensure demand. Number 3, create a simple business plan. Set realistic business goals and a roadmap. Break it down into manageable tasks such as defining your product, setting pricing, and planning your market strategy. Maya, a mother and a photographer, mapped out her plan that included offering family photo shoots and pricing them competitively. She ensured her business plan aligned with her family needs, allowing her to schedule shoots during her children's school hours. Develop a plan that fits your lifestyle. 4th, leverage social media to build your brand. Create social media profiles on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or Pinterest to showcase your work. Build an audience and engage with potential customers. Sarah, a mom of 3, began posting handmade candles on Instagram. She made her posts personal by sharing how the candles helped her create calming space at home, relating her passion to family life. Engage with your audience through storytelling to create a deeper connection. 5th, set realistic boundaries and time management systems. Create a schedule that allows you to manage your business and family life effectively. Set boundaries around your working hours to avoid burnout. For instance, Nisha, a mother with a young kid, set aside evening after the kids went to bed to work on her online boutique. She communicated with her family and created clear working hours, ensuring she wasn't overwhelmed. Implement a system where your business work doesn't infringe on your family time. 6th, start small and scale gradually. Begin with a small, manageable version of your business. You don't need to launch everything at once. Focus on quality and consistency. Then gradually expand as your family and business allow. Neha started her organic skincare line by selling only 3 products initially, testing their popularity and refining her marketing. She expanded only once she gained a solid customer base. Start small, test your ideas, and expand when you feel right. So, turning your passions into a profitable business is not just about making money. It's about finding harmony, pursuing personal growth, and creating a legacy for your family. By following these 6 actionable steps, you can actually launch a successful business and will transform your parenting journey by leading with purpose and intentionality. So let's get started with your entrepreneurial adventure today. Before I wrap up, I want to remind you that the journey to turning into passion into profitable business starts right here, right now. If you found this video helpful today, make sure that you subscribe to this channel so that you can keep getting our updates. Also, if you're serious about taking the next step in your business journey, I'd love you to join my Magic Circle, an exclusive community of moms looking to turn their passion into profit. The links are in the description below. Don't forget to download your free resource, which I've created just for you, the Business Blueprint for Moms, that will help you map out your next steps. Share it with a mom who would love to turn her passion into business. Let's make this happen together. See you in the next video.